What's up, SUV enthusiasts? Welcome back to Car Release TV Chanel. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases in the automotive world. The 2025 Mazda CX-8. If you love sleek design, cutting-edge tech, and sheer driving power, stick around because this vehicle will blow your mind. Before we jump into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow car lovers. Let's keep the automotive excitement going, and you won't want to miss out on our future content. Alright, let's get right into it. Mazda is back, and the 2025 Mazda CX-8 takes things to an entirely new level. This isn't just an SUV, it's a work of art on wheels. The moment you lay your eyes on its sleek white exterior, you know this car is designed to impress. The wide front grille and the aggressive LED headlights signal that the CX-8 is here to dominate, while still offering a touch of elegance that sets it apart from the competition. The back of this SUV is no less stunning. With sharp LED taillights and dual exhaust outlets, Mazda's attention to detail shines through, making the CX-8 a standout no matter where it's seen. Every inch of this design screams luxury, innovation, and power. Now let's talk about the interior, a perfect blend of classic luxury and modern tech. Stepping into the CX-8, you're welcomed by rich tan leather seats with meticulous stitching, giving it a premium feel. It's not just about looks either. This spacious cabin is designed for comfort, whether you're running errands or heading on a long road trip. And with a large touchscreen display and a high-tech control panel, you've got the whole world at your fingertips. Of course, performance is where the CX-8 really shines. Under the hood, you've got a powerhouse engine delivering approximately 300 horsepower. That means you'll not only experience smooth rides on city streets, but also thrilling performance on the highway, whether you're cruising through the city or taking on those long journeys. This SUV is built to handle it all. But what might surprise you is that this luxury comes at an accessible price. With an estimated starting price of around $40,000 to $45,000, Mazda is making sure you get maximum value. This isn't just about owning a car, it's about upgrading your entire driving experience. So what do you think of the 2025 Mazda CX-8? Is this your next dream SUV? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. We've got plenty more exciting car releases and reviews coming your way. See you in the next video on Car Release TV.